Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you link your Xbox account, your PS4 account, to your Xbox account on Epic Games for Fortnite. So let's show you how you can do this. So basically, if you are switching from an Xbox to a PS4, I'm going to show you how can you link your PS4 account to your Xbox account. So how can you do that? So first of all, you're going to get any PC and you're going to launch up your browser and search up for Epic Games. And once you search up for Epic Games, you're going to sign in. And once you sign in, you're going to be greeted with this web page. Once you're on this web page, you're going to navigate all the way to the top right corner and then onto account. Once you click on account, you're going to be greeted with this web page. Once you're in this web page, you're going to navigate all the way to apps and accounts. Okay, and then when you're in apps and accounts, you're going to go all the way to over here to accounts. And once your accounts, as you can see, I have my own Xbox account over here. You're going to go on to PlayStation Network and you're going to click connect. Once you click connect, you're going to be greeted with this and you're going to click on link account. Once you click on link account, you're going to be able to greet this to the Sony sign in, and you're going to sign in with your PlayStation account. Okay, do the 2FA if you have it, and once you do it, you're going to be able to play. You're going to be able to play with your account on Xbox and on PlayStation with the same stuff you have. So yeah, that was it now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you later.